Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I hope you all are pretty well. This is Saadi. I would like to share a very special thing about me, and it is about my childhood. It is just for inspiration and motivation. When I was at grade 8, I was one of the best, tougher student of my class, especially in mathematics. And the way our teacher taught was so brilliant and they explained well, but problem is that I didn't take any interest in learning mathematics because it was my strong belief that I'm here in this world to do anything except mathematics, because mathematics, I believe, it was beyond of my domain. So that is why my parents were also conscious for me, and they want me a brilliant student, especially in mathematics. And rest all of the subjects I did better, but in mathematics it was a very horrible subject for me. So my parents had a brilliant idea, and they arranged some of my junior students, most probably from grade 1 or grade 2, and they asked me that can you teach them mathematics. And I replied that why not? It is just a basic level of grade 1 and 2. It is about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, so I can easily do it. And the students, my little students, lived just back alley of our house. And first day when they came at our house, they called me sir. And when I listened that they were calling me sir, I felt very proud, and it sounds good for me. And that now it was the question of my reputation and my respect, that if they came to know that I know nothing, then what will be happened and how much embarrassing it could be for me. So that is why I was afraid. So at day one, we had just basic introduction, interaction about the names, routines, and we had some jokes, we had some fun, because when I saw their books, it was out of my understanding level. So that's why I held their books, and I advised them that should we start studies right from tomorrow, and they agreed. Then, first time in the life, I honestly tried to learn mathematics, basic mathematics, regarding addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And then next day, Alhamdulillah, I successfully delivered them the lecture, and they were quite satisfied from my performance. And I felt really proud, and it gave me some confidence and some hope that I can do something in this subject. But with the passage of time, gradually I improved my mathematical skills, and after 3 to 4 months, my basic concepts of mathematics was outclassed, Alhamdulillah. But still, I I was not trying to understand mathematics in the class, and when teacher delivered the lectures, I even didn't listen to him properly, because same belief I had that I can't understand mathematics. But one day, non-consciously, when teacher gave us the lecture, I listened something exactly that I told to my students a day before, and I realized that the same thing which I taught to my students, the same thing is happening here in this class. So I shocked. I look at the board, I listen to my teacher carefully with the presence of my mind, and then I realized that questions were done by my teacher is really very simple, and it's very easy for me, and I tried it in my register and I did it easily, and then I feel a very great confidence, and then I surprised the whole class because in midterm exams I got the highest marks in mathematics. At I was at first position with the lead of 4 marks, and all of my classmates and teacher were surprised that how could it be happen, but it was the reality. And then my classmates, my friends started asking help from me in mathematics, and it gave me more confidence, and today alhamdulillah I am a math teacher and I have a YouTube channel, Saadi Math. And today more than 800 lectures are available in my YouTube channel. So the conclusion is that if you have trouble in mathematics, if you feel so much difficulties in understanding mathematics, it means that it doesn't matter that how much practicing you are for your current math level. It's about the roots, it's about the basic concept of mathematics. So if you put your efforts to learn the basic mathematics, it will always help you to understand the mathematics of your current level. But because your current level is high and your basic concepts are weak, so that is why even if you do a question 10 times, maybe you remind the steps without understanding the basic concept, but if the questions are twisted by the examiner and they change the values, again you will have the same trouble, and it's almost certain you can't do that. So if you want to be good at mathematics, you should visit my YouTube channel, go on playlist, and where you will find basic algebra, basic maths. It has about 25 to 27 lectures, and if you watch them properly, inshallah it will be really helpful for you. I hope you liked this video. Inshallah I will be back to share some more things to you. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.